In this video, I am going to use the properties of radicals to simplify this given radical expression. Let's start off with the first term, which is this cube root of 8x to the power 5 y square. By the way, as it is given the problem, there are no like terms, so we can't really combine them. However, if we simplify the first term a little bit, we can find out something simpler which will give us similar terms or like terms. So let's go ahead and look at the first term, which is cube root of 8x to the power 5 y square. I could simplify it to cube root of 8x cube times x square y square. Look, x cube times x square is x to the power 5. Now is gonna be this. I'm gonna simplify it further. I'm gonna break it down to cube root of 8x cube times cube root of x square y square. What property did I use here? I used the following property. Cube root of AB is equal to cube root of A times cube root of B. That's what it is. Now I'm going to repeatedly apply these properties. So I'm going to apply that property to this. So that's going to give me cube root of 8 times cube root of x cube. Then this term, which is cube root of x square y square. Now cube root of 8 will be such a number, when we multiply the number with itself 3 times, it should give me 8, and 2 is that number. Then cube root of x cube, by the way, is just x, because x is raised to the power 3, and then we are taking the cube root of it, so that's going to cancel this 3 with this 3. That's going to give me x. Okay, that's, by the way, the definition of an nth root. In our particular case, n being 3, or we are finding cube root. And this guy, however, we can't simplify it any further, so we are going to keep it cube root of x square y square. Now please do keep in mind, this is just the first term. Now I need to put the whole problem together. So this becomes this. So it's going to be 2x times cube root of x square y square minus this minus 5x this times cube root of x square y square. Now please note that we have like terms at this point. This and this are like terms. So if we call this thing z, so it's going to be 2xz minus 5xz. So 2x times z, and then this is, let's say we call it z, 5x times z. So it's going to be 2xz minus 5xz, which is going to be negative 3xz. But z is actually cube root of x square y square. So it's going to be negative 3x times cube root of x square y square. And that should be your answer. So if I simplify this, I get negative 3x times cube root of x square y square. And that should be your answer, by the way. This is your answer when you simplify this given problem. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.